Are you considering installing a pet door through the exterior wall of your home? Before you place an order, you need to determine how thick that wall is. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Hey folks, it's Adam with Outdoor Pet Solutions. I've been installing premium pet doors for my customers here in the Middle Tennessee area for over 20 years. And during that time, I've put my hands on just about every pet door that's available. I put out a video not too long ago where I showed you the exact pet door that I have in my personal home for my dog Savannah. And in that video, I review all the various reasons why I prefer that pet door over all the others on the market. I'll put a link down in the description to that video so you can see a complete review of that pet door. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to determine how thick the wall is that you plan to install your pet door through. These pet doors can be installed through doors and walls. And going through a door is pretty straightforward. Most exterior doors are around 1 3/4 inches thick. But when it comes to an exterior wall, the thickness of that wall can vary from one home to the next. So determining how thick your wall is going to determine how deep of a tunnel that you're going to need so that you can reach from the inside to the outside. The premium pet door that we offer on our website comes in a standard depth tunnel of 10 inches. Now 10 inches will cover the most common thicknesses of walls that homes are framed with 2x4 wall construction. When you install the premium pet door, you're going to trim down that steel tunnel to match the depth of your wall. So before you place your order, you need to determine if your wall is under 10 inches thick. If it's over 10 inches thick, you're going to need to upgrade to our extra long deep tunnel, which is 16 inches long. Now 16 inches is going to cover just about every wall out there. If your wall is over 16 inches thick, you must be living in some castle. But in most modern homes today, 10 to 16 inches is going to be more than plenty to get through from the interior to the exterior so you can install your pet door. Typical home construction consists of a 1/2 inch piece of drywall on the interior, followed by 2x4 wall framing. 2x4 wall framing is actually 3 1/2 inches thick, not a full 4 inches. So you've got a 1/2 inch of drywall plus the framing, that's a total of 4 inches. Then depending on what you have on the exterior of your home will dictate the rest of that thickness of wall. Some homes are sided in vinyl siding. This is pretty thin and it's usually backed by a 1/2 inch piece of OSB board. So you can easily add about another inch to that situation and you're pretty much at a 5-inch depth. The 10-inch tunnel will be more than plenty to cover that. But if you have, say, a 2x6 wall and you have the 1/2 inch drywall, now you're up to 6 inches thick because you have the 5.5 inch 2x6 stud and the 1/2 inch piece of drywall. And then if you happen to have a brick exterior, you typically will have another 1/2 inch of OSB. Then you're going to have a weeping gap between the OSB and the brick. And then of course you have the thickness of the brick itself. Exterior home brick can vary in thickness from one home to the next. So you very well could run the potential of exceeding that 10-inch tunnel depth and you'll need to upgrade to the 16-inch tunnel. But instead of just simply looking at your wall trying to guess what the thickness is, you can easily measure it and know exactly the depth that you're working with. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, so I'm going to head on up to Savannah's pet door, and as you've seen in previous videos, here is her magnificent ramp that I built for her. That ramp was actually originally built for our previous dog, Sadie. She was getting to be elderly and was having a difficult time coming down the steps, so I built this ramp for her so that she could easily gain access to the grass area over here so that she can do her business. And now of course Savannah uses it, even though she is very young and fully capable of using the steps, she still prefers the ramp. And then of course here is her pet door. This is the premium pet door I offer on our website, and it goes through our brick sided home, and we are on a 2x4 wall construction, so the 10-inch tunnel fit just fine. But to help you determine the thickness of your wall, you can use any, oh, there's Savannah right there. Yeah. Come on, Savannah. You want to come on out? Savannah, come here. Come on. Come on. You can go outside. Come on, Savannah. You can go outside. Oh, that's a good girl. It's a good girl, Savannah. What's she doing? It's kind of cloudy today, huh? You good girl. All right, so determining the thickness of your wall is pretty straightforward. You obviously want to be coming to a doorway, hopefully on the same wall that you plan to install your pet door through. That way you get an accurate measurement. Some walls on homes, depending on which side of the home you're planning to install through, can vary. So if you measure, say, the thickness of the wall on the front of your home, there could be some variation to it to the back wall. So I like to come near a existing doorway. You can also use a window if you have that along the wall area where you plan to put the pet door in, but the windows are a little more difficult to get that accurate thickness measurement. So we're going to use a door here for an example. And we'll open up our sliding glass door, and as you can see, you've got different layers making your way from the inside to the outside. And something to consider is on the inside you have this trim. Now the trim is overlapping the drywall, and you will be mounting the pet door against the drywall. So you don't want to include the trim thickness in your measurement. Now you can see where the trim overlaps the frame of the actual sliding glass door here. So you can measure from that edge here to the outside to get your measurement. And it's pretty simple. Just open up your doorway, stand in the threshold, and you're going to line your measuring tape up with that innermost point behind the trim to the outside, right? And to make this easier, since I'm doing this one-handed, we're going to measure that thickness first, right? Which is right about 7/8. So we've got 7/8 of an inch from the frame of the door to the edge of the trim here. So then we can measure across the frame of the sliding glass door, and we have 6.5 inches. So we've got 6.5 plus the 7/8, and then we can finish on the exterior with the brick, which is about another inch. So that's a total of 7/8 plus 6.5 plus another inch. So that gives us a grand total of 8 3/8 of an inch thickness. So the standard 10-inch tunnel will cover just fine in this particular application. So just open up any doorway in your home and follow that same process to measure the overall thickness, and that'll help determine how deep of a tunnel you're going to need for your new pet door. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to determine how thick your wall is that you plan on installing your pet door through. If you visit our website to check out the premium pet door and you're considering ordering it, the standard depth tunnel of 10 inches will come with that pet door that you see online. But if you happen to fall into that category where you need a little bit longer than that 10 inches, you can upgrade to our 16-inch tunnel by simply reaching out to me. My contact information is on the website. You can reach out to me via phone, text, or email, and I'll be happy to quote you for the extra long tunnel on the premium pet door. The cost to ship out the deeper tunnel and the material that's involved in building it does cost a little bit more, so I can easily invoice you separately for that upgrade, and you'll be well on your way to install your pet door through your extra thick wall. I'll put a link down in the description to the premium pet door option that we offer. And all the pricing you see on our website of those standard sizes with the standard 10-inch tunnel depth does include ground shipping direct to you. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye.